This Hurricane Wisdom. He from the crib.
KJ, man, that shit. I don't play cards around me. Sit behind this bitch, I dog me. Hey, I wasn't too good at math. On God, I run with problem solvers. Hey, bitch, I'm a money harlot. Whole fiend, I need all of it. Bitch, leave her falling. Gotta go, money calling. 34, feel like Giannis. 30 pole, big as Giannis. Hey, niggas broke, that's beyond me. Honey shots get on side me. Honey hoes, I don't party.
Dude, you can tell Florida when you see it, yo.
Mike money Scotty. Toys niggas try me. Starbucks, Harley. I smoke money, Harley. I say fuck em, foot locker. I want go hit money. Never got look just like Barney. I live it, you record it. Daytime, we informing. Nighttime, I'm in a foreign. No bitches got deported. Why she think she important? Hey, old time, you know I ain't getting none. I like my bitches boring. She 5 and down in Soren. I'm tired, I'm way too big. Think that I know you eat. Baby, don't lie, I know you sleep. Hey, when I get home, I just won't dome. You already know I don't be. Hey, what you doing with all that ass? I say, come throw it on me. I know you know what I mean. Got plenty of hoes and plenty cash. Life ain't nothing but a feet. I hope you know that I don't play cards around me. Sit behind this bitch, I dog me. Hey, I wasn't too good at math. On God, I run with problem solvers. Hey, bitch, I'm a money harlot. Whole fiend, I need all of it. Bitch, leave her falling. Gotta go, money calling. 34, feel like
I like how he do his
30 pole,
voice.
big as Giannis. Hey, niggas broke, that's beyond me. Honey shots get on side me. Honey hoes, I don't party. Honey yo, money got it. Hit the mic, money Scotty. Toys niggas try me.
I like his voice.
I ain't gonna lie. To me, I feel like this song undeniable. From all the songs, cause I ain't gonna lie, I've been seeing his name, but like I never really got into him. But then I heard this song and it was like,
It was kind of it got
like,
me too.
Yeah, like
it's the way he
harmonizing
his beat. That's like damn.
Not,
I feel like
it's a 10 to me.
I feel a 10. Damn, that's the first 10 you gave. In how long and how many videos?
That's how you know it. You feel me? And he from the crib.
You know, so crazy. Remember, I said this. He's gonna drop a song one day that I hear in his voice like it's a hit that's gonna blow up so big, waiting to happen. I feel it. But remember, I said it first.
Want y'all motherfuckers to subscribe to Foreign TVO. Don't give a fuck. Better subscribe, motherfucker. If not, security gonna get your ass. Pup, pup.